can see, today I am going to make a recipe with this kind of fragrant asgard. It is not a normal asgard, especially the smell, and it is very expensive here. In Guwahati, sometimes it takes per kg 60 rupees and some places per kg 100 rupees. The fragrance is just like an animal, Indian animal. It is called small Indian civet. It is available in hilly areas, especially Meghalaya. People come from Meghalaya, those tribes, they sell here in Guwahati. So it's not just like normal asgard. So let's see. This much is enough. This much I will use. Just like this I will peel it off. Third, I am cutting into small pieces, and now I am spacing with it small portion of the fragrant asgard. This is garlic, one medium size garlic. This much of ginger. 2 green chilies. This is zavitri for smell. This is zaifal. This is Kashmiri mirch. This much of jeera powder. This is coriander powder. This much. Culantro leaf and strong aroma. These are 2 onions. These are fishes. Katla fish. This is mustard seed. Mustard oil. The quantity I will explain later during the time of frying. These 2 bay leaf. So now the fish is fried. This is ready. I am adding onion. I am adding bay leaf now. This is the garlic ginger paste. I have added. We add jeera powder. This is dhania powder. This is Kashmiri mirch. 1/4 teaspoonful of jaifal. Javitri. For proper mixing, add little bit water on this masala. Little bit salt. It's little bit mustard seeds. Masala is already ready. It is completely dark brown. This is fragrant asgard. I am adding the chilies, green chilies. I have added 2 green chilies. Let's put the lid for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, let's remove the lid now. Yes, it is completely fried and boiled. You can use any kind of fish, that does not matter. So let's close the lid now. Again. After 10 minutes I am coming to see the color. So now put the culantro leaf. There are culantro leaves. For smell I am not going to cover the lid again. It's boiling, so let's switch off. So now the time is to taste. This is smelling like small Indian civet or Johar rice. If anybody from forest people come, then they could ask me about small Indian civet. Is there anywhere there is a small Indian civet you are hiding it? There is. So whole house is, the smell is so strong that whole house is smelling like Johar rice or small Indian civet. Check the taste. Really good. It's just like restaurant type. Say I am self-certifying it, but no, you can make it at your home. Then you will say
So please try at your home and let me know. You can message me, you can leave comments. Let's wrap up